So I'm just going into this auto EV. I'm just getting into this auto EV exhibition. So let me go and check what it is for you guys. It's in the KTPO.
Take the next right, then you will arrive at your destination.
KTPO Whitefield. Good morning, welcome to my channel Automobile and More, and today I have come to KTPO, which is near Whitefield. Today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow, 3 days, there is an exhibition on Auto EV India. So I'm just going in to see all the exhibits. If possible, you guys also can drop in. Otherwise, sit back and relax and enjoy this video. So these are the stalls actually. So not many vehicles as such, it's more of vehicle subsystem, hardware, software, sensors, testers. So I've come into the exhibition hall right now. There are two halls. So this is the charging station. A lot of sensor related stuffs are there. There's something with the motors here. So a lot of electric components basically this time. Yeah. Sensors, battery systems. Digital multimeters and clamp meters. So these are all different. Looks interesting. There's something to do with the paints here. So a lot of tech items here, not just vehicles. All the subsystems and the sensors, batteries, charging station, a lot of stuff is being displayed here. So I guess anyone who's very keen on all the underlying parts of an electronic vehicle, definitely this is a place. There you go, brass. So they're all items on brass. So a lot of underlying systems are being displayed here. connecting wires. So and a lot of international people also here, especially I can see a lot of Japanese here. So obviously from technology point of view, they're all very here to look at all the subsystems and all the parts, electronic parts. So a lot of electrical system display here. And again, one more here. So this exhibition is good for 3 days. They have a lot of things in terms of electronics, software, hardware, subsystems, chargers. Magnets, wow. Adaptive control by spectral dynamic controllers. Okay, adaptive controllers. Adaptive controllers, okay. High-tech resistors. So you see, there are a lot of systems here. So guys, definitely it's not just vehicles. There are a lot of subsystems, hardware, software, micro components. Everything is being displayed here. So definitely it will be good to come here today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. The 3 days. This exhibition. This is Ola. A lot of people from business point of view have come here as well today. Embedded solutions, okay. So this stall is full of all subsystems, and we don't see any vehicles here. Okay, so motor testing solutions, okay. Motor testing solutions.
December 2nd week.
So a lot of electronics here, lots of electronics. So people, I'm sure it is not just auto vehicles as such. A lot of other things are there as well. Right, so that is stall number 1. This is the Ayodhya Mandir. So there are some power systems as well. Super. So this stall is full of electronic subsystems, hardware, software, whatever you call it. So I see a lot of people from the Japanese and Southeast countries who are here. Let me go to the other stall. Going to hall number 1. Hall number 2 basically was a lot of subsystems, electronic hardware, software, etc. What you saw. So let's go to hall 1 and see what it is. Also there are some conferences. The hall one and see what all is there here. Let's go to hall one. Again, here also we see a lot of electronics. Looks like, yeah, Eco Plug Energy India Limited. Okay. It's all charging related stuff. Okay. This is said to be set up. Propulsion system, okay. That is basically what's happening here. Some small electric car here displayed. Industry first line of defense against unreliability, okay. Some monitoring item. Tight checker, everything leaks, okay. Ultrasound solution, this is this particular stall. Conference is going on, let's see what they're talking about.
Electric vehicle is basically battery plus some mechanical and rest of it is electronics, right? So I want to point a specific areas of electronics which is going to be very important and could be a very strong opportunity for India. So if you look at the two-wheelers of today, they are typically using the traditional silicon both for power and basically compute. I think there is an opportunity to leapfrog where we change all the power electronics in electrical vehicles based on the compound semiconductors like silicon carbide and GaN, gallium nitride, right? I think that's an outstanding opportunity. India government also has been basically position is going to be electrical soon, whether it's basically air, ground, like automobiles, conductors or electronics. We are not using enough electronics, at least in Indian language, right? There is a huge opportunity to create the traction to get your attention, right? What was the Delhi AQI yesterday? Anybody knows?
Again, a software stall here. So there are a lot of software stalls as well as the components hardware stall as well. I was just thinking that there will be a lot more vehicles here, but it looks like more of all the subsystems, hardware, software, sensors, testing items, and so on and so forth. So it is very good for a lot of delegations were there. In fact, a lot of from international delegations as well. So there's also conference going on as well in terms of electronic industry and EV industry, how things are changing, and what is the future like, and so on and so forth. So it's worth visit. Entry is free. And parking, adequate parking is there, so go ahead and then check it out. You may not find too many vehicles here because hardly any vehicles display was there, but it's more of the electronic subsystems in terms of sensors, hardware, software, testing systems, and connectors, and so on and so forth. So quite a bit of stuff for the electronic geeks as well. So check it out and enjoy. Thank you, and subscribe in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel for more such videos.